In today's video, I'm going to teach you whether Monarch Money is safe, taking you through its security features and privacy considerations in 2025. Let's dive in. First and foremost, Monarch Money employs bank-level encryption, both at rest and in transit. This means that your data is safely encrypted when stored or being transmitted, offering robust protection similar to what banks use to safeguard your sensitive information. This layer of encryption is essential in preventing unauthorized access to your financial data and provides peace of mind knowing your personal details are secure. Another key point to consider is that Monarch does not store your bank login credentials directly. Instead, these credentials are handled by trusted third-party platforms such as Plaid, Finicity, and MX. This approach reduces the risk of your credentials being accessed or misused since they aren't held on Monarch servers. To further enhance security, Monarch supports multi-factor authentication, also known as MFA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to verify your identity through various methods such as SMS, email, hardware tokens, or time-based one-time passwords, TOTP. By using MFA, even if someone managed to obtain your password, they would still need the second factor to access your account. Security measures don't stop there. Monarch undergoes regular security audits, which include thorough penetration testing and strict access controls. These audits help identify and address potential vulnerabilities, ensuring that the platform remains secure against emerging threats. The commitment to ongoing security assessments is a strong indicator of Monarch's dedication to user safety. Moreover, unlike many free applications, Monarch operates on a subscription-based model and does not rely on advertisements. This means they don't sell user data to advertisers, allowing you to budget with confidence, knowing your data isn't being monetized. However, it's important to address some privacy concerns. Monarch does include several third-party trackers from platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and Google, which can collect detailed user behavior data. This raises potential concerns about data privacy, as these trackers could share information with advertising companies. Despite the robust security measures, these trackers present a risk of data exposure, possibly including sensitive financial information, even if you use privacy tools like Ghostery or uBlock. In conclusion, Monarch Money offers strong security measures to protect your financial data. Nonetheless, the presence of numerous third-party trackers may compromise user privacy. Therefore, if data privacy is a top priority for you, consider using additional privacy-focused tools or exploring alternative budgeting apps with stricter data protection policies. We hope this breakdown helps you make an informed decision about Monarch Money's safety for your personal finance management.